Are you looking to boost your hair growth naturally? Biotin-rich foods are your answer. Known as the hair vitamin, biotin helps strengthen hair follicles, promoting thicker, healthier locks. From almond and sweet potatoes to eggs and avocado, these nutrient-packed foods are not only delicious but also vital for supporting your hair from the inside out. In this video, we will explain the top biotin-rich foods that will have your hair growing longer, thicker and stronger in no time. Don't miss out on these hair boosting power foods. Eggs. Eggs are one of the best natural source of biotin, particularly in the yolk. Just one cooked egg contains about 10 microgram of biotin, which support healthy hair growth by improving keratin production. Chicken liver. Chicken liver is an incredibly rich source of biotin with just a 3-ounce serving providing around 138 microgram of this essential vitamin. Peanuts. Peanuts are rich in biotin because they naturally contain high level of this essential B vitamin. A serving of peanuts about 1 ounce provides around 5 micrograms of biotin, making them an excellent plant-based source. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in both biotin and beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This combination helps with scalp health and hair growth, making sweet potatoes an excellent choice for improving overall hair vitality. Almonds. Almonds are a great source of biotin and vitamin E, both of which are beneficial for hair growth. A 1 ounce serving of almonds can provide up to 1.5 micrograms of biotin. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are a nutrient-dense snack that is high in biotin, providing about 2.6 microgram of biotin per 1 ounce serving. They also contain vitamin E and healthy fats, both of which help promote healthier, shinier hair by supporting scalp health. Avocados. Avocados are packed with biotin, healthy fats and vitamin E, all of which help nourish the scalp and improve hair elasticity and strength. Incorporating avocados into your diet can promote healthier, thicker hair while also improving its shine and texture. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is surprisingly high in biotin, contain around 4 micrograms per serving. It's also low in calories and packed with antioxidants, making it a great choice for boosting biotin intake without adding unnecessary fats or sugars. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable rich in biotin as well as other essential vitamins like iron and folic acid, both of which are vital for hair health. The biotin in spinach supports keratin production, which strengthens hair and reduces breakage. Salmon. Salmon is rich in biotin and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which are essential for healthy hair growth. It helps keep hair moisturized and nourished from the inside out. A serving of salmon contains around 5 micrograms of biotin, making it a nutritious option for hair health. Recommended daily intake of biotin. For most adults, the recommended daily intake of biotin is around 30 to 100 micrograms. The foods listed above can help meet these requirements naturally, supporting healthier hair growth and stronger strength. Which biotin-rich food you want to add into your diet? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.